Hi, today I'm going to show you how to organize your school bag efficiently so you can save time or avoid losing things. First step, you must empty your bag completely so you can see everything inside and decide what you really need. I always take out my papers, my pencil case, my notebook, and my binder. Next step, you should group your items in category. For example, your notebooks, your writing tools, put it together in one place. And your other personal items like phone, wallet, and your other personal things and put it in other place. This help you to find your things more faster. Third step, now you can place your heaviest items at the back of your bag. This keeps the weight balanced and it makes you easier to carry. Fourth step, now after that, you may put your lighter items like your notebooks in the front or the middle. Don't forget to put your pens in a pencil case. This keeps them from getting lost. Fifth step, finally, you can use your side pockets for your water bottle and your umbrella. That way, you can easily reach them when you need them. So, that's it. Organizing your bag doesn't take long, but it makes your school day so much easier. Reminder, you must stay organized. You should check your bag daily and you can save time and everything in its place. Now, go try it with your own bag.